Here goes Zachary climbing the stairs. You
Go
gonna...
back! Go back, Zach! Back. Back. Back.
Say, come and get me, Zach.
Come get me, Zach!
You're doing good. What do you think, Jackson? Is he climbing the stairs?
Yeah.
Can you say hi, grandmas and hi, grandpas?
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma.
Yeah, let's not pick our nose. Yeah.
Boogles in there.
Yeah. Booger's in there. He's almost there.
He did it.
You're doing good, little guy.
He climbed the stairs.
Here we go, our mobile Chernobyl. Yay! Good job, Zachary. Yay!
Sammy.
Off he goes. Hi, Zach. Can you clap? Clap for him. Show him how to clap. Show him how to clap, Jackson.
Clap, clap. He does around clap. He also eats.
Hi, Zach. No, you can't come back down the stairs. Sorry, that's not going to happen.
He just climbed stairs.
All right. Good job.
Do it again.
Do it again. We'll see. We'll see. What do you think, Zach?
Do it again. Clap, clap.
Yeah. Good job. What do you think, big brother?
Clap, clap. Oh, this.
Hey, can you tell everybody how old you are?
3.
3. All right. And that's Zachary climbing the stairs.